Hey guys, another video with the cat. This is actually at the same day. Okay. And as you know, she really loves that pink thing. She doesn't really like it. Wait. Guys, I'm gonna get a mice. Wait. Okay, here's a mouse. And just so you know, that's not a real mouse. She doesn't really hate me, I would say, but she does try to touch my toes a bit sometimes. She tries to like bite them. Well, no, she doesn't really bite them, but she like sucks them with her tongue rather than bite them with her teeth. Like, maybe she doesn't even have teeth yet, who knows. Alright, she's like 3 months old. Really playful. Come on, get the mouse and bring it to your little den. Oh yeah, remember that thing? I've got all about it. Yes, try me. Come on. Oh Jesus! Oh gosh. Everyone loves cats. Have it. I don't care. Wait. Oh, don't look for my toes. Not my toes. You forgot about that mouse. That mouse really wants you to eat it. Oh. You know, she really thinks it's a real mice. This is what would happen if mice was really here. Oh look, these are actually real. You can actually use them. But I'm not going to use them because I don't want to. That's why I don't really want to. There's that poor mouse. Oh, okay. Whoa, man, don't. She's like a panther because she sometimes like hides and like comes out in random places where you don't even know she is. So yeah, and she pounces a bit like a panther. Watching Will Smith. I meant, yeah, the Prince of Bel-Air. Hey, you okay? You good? Okay? You want out? Your eyes look like you're about to pounce. Come on, it's playtime. Play with that mouse down there. What are you even doing? Oh, she got it. She got it in her mouth. Oh. Okay. Sorry, that last one of the video was a bit short. Bye.